Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going big, literally. We're reviewing the jaw-dropping Alienware 18 Area-51 gaming laptop, 2025 model, an elite-tier machine designed for those who want no compromises. Before diving in, make sure to check the link below to get this today at the best price available. Flying saucer emoji, bold, premium Alienware design. As expected from Alienware, the Area-51 meters-inspired chassis is nothing short of iconic. It features the brand's futuristic Legend 3.0 design language, RGB alien head logo, illuminated rear ports, and a rugged magnesium alloy build. While hefty, the cooling, power, and presence make every inch of it worth it. The 18-inch 2.5K QHD+, 2560 by 1600 display with 300 Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time delivers unreal fluidity, perfect for competitive FPS titles and immersive AAA experiences. The 16:10 aspect ratio adds extra screen real estate, ideal for both gaming and multitasking. Gear emoji, performance breakdown. Under the hood, this laptop crushes everything in its path. Intel Ultra 9275HX, 24-core, up to 5.4 GHz. Blazing fast and optimized for multitasking, streaming, compiling, or pushing ultra settings in every game you throw at it. NVIDIA RTX 5080, GDDR7, a next-gen GPU with ray tracing, DLSS 4.0, and AI-enhanced rendering that offers near-desktop performance in a laptop form factor. 32GB DDR5 RAM, 6000 MHz, ideal for gaming, 4K video editing, rendering, and VR development. 2TB NVMe SSD, PCIe Gen 4, massive, ultra-fast storage for games, media, and creative projects. Video game emoji, unreal gaming experience. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Flight Simulator 2024, Starfield, and Fortnite run at ultra settings in QHD+ resolution while easily maintaining triple-digit FPS, thanks to the RTX 5080 and ultra-fast display. Paired with G-Sync support and advanced cooling, it's one of the smoothest and sharpest gaming experiences you can get on a laptop. Snowflake emoji, advanced cryotech cooling. Alienware's cryotech thermal architecture continues to impress. It uses vapor chamber cooling, quad fans, and smart heat mapping to keep things surprisingly cool. Even under full load, thermal throttling is virtually non-existent. Meridian globe emoji, connectivity and features. You get the full suite of premium ports. Thunderbolt 4. USB-A and USB-C 3.2 Gen 2. HDMI 2.1. Mini display port. RJ45 Ethernet. 3.5mm combo jack. Wi-Fi 7 plus Bluetooth 5.3. Also includes a customizable RGB keyboard, Alien FX lighting, Tobii eye tracking, and Dolby Atmos speakers for immersive audio. Battery emoji, battery life and portability. Let's be honest, this laptop is not made for all-day unplugged use. Expect around 3 to 5 hours during casual use and less during gaming. But you're not buying this for battery, it's a portable desktop replacement for those who demand maximum performance. Present emoji, perfect for hardcore gamers and esports pros. Streamers and creators who want mobility without sacrificing power. Professionals working in 3D, AI, video production, or VR. Alienware fans looking for their dream machine. Brain emoji, final verdict. The Alienware 18 Area-51, 2025, is an absolute monster, the closest thing to a true desktop gaming rig and laptop form with unmatched specs, premium build quality, and stunning visuals. It's a dream machine for anyone who wants everything in one device. Star emoji, rating, 9.9 out of 10. A futuristic powerhouse built for those who demand elite performance without compromise.